This is the weirdest Superman comic ever. We all know Supes is one of the strongest characters in fiction, but this comic takes it to another level. In this specific issue, he genuinely, no joke, sneezed away an entire solar system. After getting trapped in deep space, Superman accidentally inhaled a huge cloud of space dust. When he finally couldn't hold it in anymore, he let out one massive sneeze. That sneeze was so powerful it blasted across space and destroyed a whole solar system. An entire flippin' solar system. And the craziest part? This wasn't some alternate universe or parody story. This was regular Superman. So the next time someone asks why comic book powers make no sense, remember this. There is an official Superman story where allergies nearly caused an extinction-level disaster across an entire solar system.